So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it's going to be saying set time zone automatically. You want to turn this off. After you turn this off, you can now manually set your time zone. After you set your time zone, make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to scroll up, and where it says set time zone automatically, you want to turn this on. If it doesn't let you turn this on, then you want to click on location settings right here. Another way to access this page is you want to go to privacy and security, scroll down, and then click on location. Now once we're here, you want to turn on location services, and where it says let apps access your location, you want to turn this on as well. So now once you've done that, on the left hand side, we're going to click on time and language, and now you want to click on date and time. It should now allow you to turn on set time zone automatically, and then see if that fixes your problem. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. Now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it, and now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now after you've done this, you just want to simply restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then sync your dates and time again, and this should now fix your problem.